Hello everyone, I'm Serdar. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to make our own nice looking calendar in Google Sheets just like this one. Here we see that the current date is highlighted and it will change automatically when the date changes. Besides, it can be used as a diary to write down your plans for this month. Skills you will gain in this tutorial are as following: formatting and customizing dates, applying conditional formatting for dates, inserting notes, some small designing skills like font, background coloring, and adding borders. So let's get started. Let me open a new sheet here. Before we start making our calendar, I want to show you how to format dates in Google Sheets. For example, let's write a date here. Let's say the 4th of April 1998. If I want to change the appearance of this date, first of all, let's select the cell containing the date, then go to Format, go to Number, and find Custom and Date and Time here. When you click on it, a window will appear. Okay, so you can see a lot of date formats here. Okay, for example, let's select this one and click on Apply. Okay, and as you see, the appearance of our date has changed. Again, let's go to the same place, custom date and time, okay, and look at these fields, okay. You can customize the date according to your needs. By for example, you don't need the year, you can just delete it, okay. And instead of this dash, you want, let's say, a comma, just delete and write in comma, or for example you need a space, okay. Also, you can change the look of your month, for example, month without leading zero, with leading zero, month as abbreviation, or month as full name. So I'll select month as full name and my day with leading zero. Okay, and I click apply. And again, our date has changed. Okay, that's enough for now. Okay, now let's start up making our calendar. Okay, first of all, let's write down the days of the week. Okay, I'll write the first day of the week. Okay, Monday. Okay, the rest is easy. Just drag it to the right, and the Google Sheet will auto-populate the rest. Okay, above them, I'll write July 2024. Okay, and I will center it across these cells. So I select these cells and click on merge cells, and let's make it let's center it. Okay, now let's start writing down the dates. July 2024 starts on a Monday, so let's start here. The first day, okay, 2024. Okay, okay, now we can drag it to the right, okay, and the next week in the same way. So it starts on the 8th of July 2024, okay, and in the same way drag it to the right, okay. And the third week, okay, starts on the 15th, okay, let's drag it, okay, and the next, okay, and here we come to the last week. Okay, so July ends on Wednesday, I suppose. Actually, yes, I know. Yes, it ends on Wednesday. Okay, now let's format these dates. Select these cells, go to Format, Number, Custom Date and Time. Okay, and I will delete everything and select only day, and I want it to be without leading zero, and click Apply. Okay, you might be wondering why not just writing in numbers rather than dates. Okay, I will explain you. Just select any of these cells, okay, and look at these fields. Okay, normally we see it as numbers, but Google Sheets sees them as dates. Okay, for example, let me write in number 15 here. Okay, and here we have 15, and this here we have 15, but they are quite absolutely different. This 15, if you take a look here, is just a number, but this 15 it's not just a number, it's the 15th of July. Okay, and why is it important them to be dates? You will understand it shortly. Okay, first of all, let's delete this 15 and go on. Okay, now let's design our calendar. Let's select everything. Okay, let's center them and align in the middle. Okay, and enlarge the font. Let's Okay, let's make them bold. Okay, okay, and heading, we can make it 20 and change the font to, for example, this one. Okay, good. Now let's apply coloring. Okay, heading, the background I want to be like this light yellow, and the font color this dark yellow. Okay, good. The weekdays, background color light blue, and font color dark blue. Okay. Okay, we can light red for background and red for font. Okay, and also these days we can change their font color. Okay, now the background color for these dates. Okay, and I select light gray one. Okay, okay. So having finished coloring, we can switch to borders. Okay, let's select these cells and go to borders. Here we have two drop downs. This one is for the border style. Okay, and I want it to border style the thinnest one, so I select the first one, and I want border color, I want white border color. Okay, so now we can apply borders. I need inner borders, so I click on inner borders, and as you see, our borders white, we can see white inner borders here. Now I want borders for our heading. Okay, again, go to borders. This time I want this thick border. I want it to be black, and I apply top border and bottom border. Okay, now it looks great. Okay, we have finished designing our calendar. Now the next step, I want the date change, the current day to be highlighted. Okay, and I want it to be highlighted automatically, so I don't change it manually. Okay, so to do it, we need conditional formatting for dates. Okay, now let's select these cells containing dates and go to format, then find conditional formatting, and you will see a window here. Here we have a drop down menu containing sets of rules. Okay, there we find date is, and when we click on it, another drop down appears here, and we need today here. So, and now we can apply styling. Okay, so what color do we want for our current date? Okay, I want it to be red, the font color white, and bold at the same time, and click on done and close this window. And as you see, today is the 10th of July, and the 10th of July is highlighted. And tomorrow, the 11th of July, will be highlighted, and so on. Good. Okay, now, you see, if it was just a number, not a date, the conditional formatting wouldn't work here. Okay, that's why we need them to be dates. I'll explain it by deleting this, the 10th of July, and write in just number 10. Okay, and as you see, this number isn't highlighted because it's just a number, it's not a date. Okay, let's undo the action. Okay, and return to its previous condition. Okay, we have finished designing our calendar, and we applied conditional formatting. Now let's add plans for our month. Okay. But before that, I forgot to resize. I wanted to resize the height and the width of this calendar. So let's select these rows. Okay, right click here and find resize rows here. Okay, I'll write in 40 here and click OK. And in the same way, let's resize these columns. Right click here, resize columns. Okay, 100 is okay. So I don't change anything and click OK. So let's delete this row. Okay, good. Now let's add plans for our month. Okay, for example, let's say on the 15th of July, next Monday, I have a job interview. So if I want to insert a plan here, I just right click on this cell, then go to insert note. Okay, do not confuse with comment. In Microsoft Excel, you would use comment, but in Google Sheets, we use insert note. Okay, so click on it, and here we have this small window. Okay, and right here, job interview. Okay, if you want to delete the node, again, right click on the cell, find delete nodes. Okay, the next, let's say that you have several tasks for one day. Okay, for example, on Friday, you must see a dentist, you must visit your grandma, you have to submit your university project, and you must see Peter. Okay, so several tasks for one day. Again, in the same way, right click on this cell, go to insert notes, and start typing in first dentist's appointment. Okay, enter, and visit grandma, then uni project deadline, and see Peter. Okay, haven't finished it, you can click anywhere, and as you see, we have black corners here in this cell and in this cell, and it means that these cells contain nodes. If we hover over them, we can see what nodes they contain. Okay, and here. Okay, all right, everyone, that's all for today. If you'd like a copy of this calendar template, just write to me at 1058senior@gmail.com, and I'll send it to you for free. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.